Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can use DeepSeek R1 for free right now. As you can see, DeepSeek R1 upgrade with a deeper insist and strong reasoning now live on web app and API. So if you want to more details, you can click for the details here. Just click over here and it will give you all the details of that place. So here you can see. So as you know, if you already use ChatGPT or other platform like Gemini, then you know how artificial intelligence help you. This is the similar one but the Chinese version. So here we are going to click on start now to use this platform called DeepSeek. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then you just need to create an account here. So I will log in with Google. This is the simplest way to log in as fast as possible. That's why I choose that process. So now I will select my address and then I will just click to the continue. Once I click over here, it will complete the creation of the account. So here you can see that DeepSeek R1 thing. Before responding to solve reasoning, you just need to click over here and then provide a question over that place. Okay, let's ask him a question that which Schengen country is more rich, and let's hit enter and it will take time. So here you can see we're using DeepSeek R1 and you can see the video in here. It is working and it will take a couple of minutes and they will provide all the information over that place with more research, more insist in here. So you can see how easy the process was. If you think that you are not able to use R1 free, then you are unconditionally false. You are able to use it anyway. So if you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.